I'm telling you, this is gonna be fun taking this boat out of the water. Look at this crap. Wow. Well, this is a first. I've never, ever had to try and put a boat on a trailer in Whitecaps. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Wow. Good God. This is gonna be a flippin' disaster. Jesus Christ. I think it's gotten fucking windier. This was not a good idea today. Oh, fuck. This is not cool. Wow, got it. I can't say that I've ever fucking done anything like that, man. Today, I figured since I drove all that way, I didn't want to waste my day coming down here. But man, I've never had to do anything like that ever in my life, and I think, to be honest with you, I think I was a little bit scared. I think it got a little more rough out there. Even after I got in, the wind just started blowing really, really hard, and yeah, I've never had to put a boat on a trailer with Whitecaps on the lake, and that was just, yeah, my heart was just pounding. I ended up losing the cap. This is the only injury the boat took, which is good. Those little caps, small price. I'm okay with that. I think the rest of the boat is alright for the most part. Doesn't look like it's dented or smashed or anything, so. But somebody told me putting the boat on the trailer, I think actually might have been Sean, the previous owner, when putting the boat on a trailer in winds like this, always take it wide. I guess that worked out pretty good. And it was just a matter of timing, and I'm just glad I got it the first try, because if I had missed it the first time, I think it would have been a real disaster, because the boat was just getting pounded. But anyways, I don't know if it was worth one pike, but anyways, signing off. And hopefully next time I'm out is a little more productive than this beating I took.